Please excuse the hood, it's a little bit chilly out here today. So I thought, in amongst getting the carpets ready to go back into the car and giving it a bit of a clean, I thought I'd whip out the old cabin filter. Now, I have ordered a new one and it's on its way. So I've taken the glove box out, disconnected a little metal joint here, and look what I found. Or what I haven't found. It turns out we don't have one. Or we have a slot for one, but there isn't one in there. So, I don't know, has it been like that from the factory? Who knows? I mean, a cabin filter isn't something that is routinely replaced, I don't think, in servicing, really, is it? So, yeah, that's not great, really. There's a bit of a stench whenever you put the fan on, and I thought obviously that's going to be handy if I'm trying to dry carpets or dry any of the seats after I've cleaned them. I just whip put the engine on, wait till it gets warm, and then whip the fan on, and that'll help dry things out. But yeah, that's obviously not going to change the smell, because the smell is coming through no cabin filter. Is that Rover from the factory? I wonder. Might give them the benefit of the doubt on this one. I've got a package, and I believe it's the cabin filter for the Streetwise. So let's whip out that glove box again, go in there, fit this new one, and then we'll have lovely clean air in the interior. Okay, there's two 8mm under here that I've got to locate. There is my cabin filter, which will be going in shortly. So yeah, let's find them under here. I've done this before to investigate whether there was one in there, and there wasn't, but bear with me. A bit dark under here as well. There's one of them. Okay, it's easier with the attachment there. There we go. That's the first one out, pretty much. And the second one is more awkward. It's right above my head. Actually, oh, this is rather unpleasant, if I'm honest. Oh, God. There we go. Ow! A little bit better. Still bloody awkward, though. Being upside down in a mouldy Rover Streetwise isn't a lot of fun, if anybody wondered. There we go. That's done that now. Oh, how the hell am I going to get out of here? Bloody hell. I've cut myself in the process. Oh. Anyway, right, let's get it out. There we go. And then once you've removed the glove box, it's time to whip out a 7mm and remove this cross member sort of a thingy here. This is relatively easy to get off, so bear with me, and that should come out pretty easily. There we go. In fact, you don't even need to take it off fully, because that'll just get it out of the way. And this then is where our new cabin filter will be going in there. There we have then our new cabin filter ready to go in. Now, I mean, I wasn't 100% sure what side to put it in, but from the couple of videos I watched on online, this black side goes towards the passenger door. So, yeah, I think I'll just roll with that, really. Pop it in there. Okay, and looks like it's in to me. Now, this clip here can be a little bit awkward, so if you just hold on a second, I'll get that reattached. Good news is that clip is back on, so now I can just tighten up this cross member piece of metal here. I don't know what the actual name for it is, but that's what I'm called it anyway. And then I can pop the glove box back in, screw that back up, and we'll give it a blast. That one obviously is a little bit loose from the last time, because I didn't leave it fully screwed, knowing I'd be coming back in here. Right, let's get this ridiculously messy glove box with loads of screws and bits from the interior, which still needs putting together. Let's put that back in and then give the fan a whirl. Okay, so the glove box is back on. Let's see if that new cabin filter is going to affect the smell from the heater system, or will it still stink? Got the ignition on, so let's try this fan then with our new cabin filter installed. Now, it doesn't work on speed number 1 or number 2 because the resistor's knackered, but let's try it on number 3. Yeah, that works. And number 4, turbo power. And does it actually smell any better? No. So I think that's a job well done.